Hi, welcome to the user guide for UnLogistics software solutions, powered by Aquargen. To get started, open your browser and navigate to www.app.aquargen.com or www.app.aquargen.com login. You'll land on the login page where you need to enter the secure credentials provided by your Aquargen administrator. Enter your username, then click outside the input field to reveal the password option. Now, enter your password and click on Login Now. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your organization's homepage, also known as the front end. At first, it may appear blank because no software has been installed yet. So the first step is to install the UnLogistics software. To do this, click on the down arrow icon located at the top left corner of your screen and then select Setup. You are now entering the backend platform of Aquargen. From here, click on Company Information and then open the Blaze Store. The Blaze Store displays all the products you are subscribed to. As you can see, I currently have access to UnLogistics and C for CRM. So both are visible here. Now click on UnLogistics software. On this page, you'll find images showcasing the product's functionality. Below that, you'll have access to the user guide, brochure, and sales deck for your convenience. You can also leave a review if you'd like. To proceed, click on the Install button. You'll be prompted to enter a package name. Type UnLogistics and click Install. Next, you'll be asked whether to include the homepage layout settings. Click on Yes, Include. A pop-up will then appear asking you to select your country's currency. For example, since my business operates in India, I'll choose Indian rupee. After that, the system will check for any package conflicts. As you can see, no conflicts were found, so we can safely click on Proceed. You'll now see a progress bar indicating that the installation is in progress. This process usually takes less than a minute. Please do not close the window. And that's it. Your software has been installed successfully. To return to the front end, simply click on the Home button located at the top left corner. You'll now be able to see the UnLogistics software tabs ready for use.
Now, let's understand how UnLogistics software operates. The UnLogistics software is primarily organized into four main tabs: Command Center, Operations Hub, Finance Hub, and Logistics Fleet Hub. Starting with the Command Center, the dashboard you see on your homepage is known as the Command Center. Here you can monitor your overall business performance and quickly understand whether your operations are running smoothly. Next is the Operations Hub, which is responsible for handling your day-to-day activities. It includes multiple sub-tabs such as Load Booking, Dispatch Load, Track Trips, Quick Setup, and Route Profitability. The Quick Setup section allows you to perform essential configurations like adding customer data, registering drivers and trucks, creating routes, and managing truck owner details. Moving on to the Finance Hub, this section helps you manage all financial activities, including invoice generation, payment tracking, expense management, and trip profit loss analysis. You can also access detailed insights such as customer ledger, GST summary, customer aging, and customer profitability. The fourth tab is the Fleet Hub, where you can manage truck and driver records, truck ownership details. The Compliance section helps you track document expiries like insurance, pollution certificates, and more. You can also monitor fuel efficiency, utilization, maintenance records, and view the history of trips and expenses. For user convenience, there is a dedicated User Journey Guide tab available. This guide walks you through how to use the UnLogistics software step by step. Now, let's follow this guide and see how the system works in real time. Step 1. Quick Setup. Navigate to the Operations Hub and open the Quick Setup tab. To add a new customer, click on the Customer section. Enter the customer's name, phone number with country code, company name, and GST number, if applicable. Then fill in the city and email address and click on Add Customer. You will receive a confirmation notification once the customer is created. To add truck details, click on the Truck section. Enter details such as truck name, registration number, brand, capacity, truck type, ownership type, and owner details. Then click on Add Truck. A confirmation message will appear once the truck is successfully added. To add a driver section, enter the driver's name, contact number, license number, Aadhaar number, license expiry date, click on Add Driver, and you'll receive a success notification. To create a route, click on Add Route. Enter details like route name, example, Mira to Delhi, distance, origin and destination cities, via points, and estimated time. Click on Add Route to complete the process. With this, your quick setup is complete. Now, refresh the page. Step 2. Book a load. Go to the Operations Hub and open the Book Load tab. Enter the following details: customer name, route, type of goods, weight in kg, number of packages, priority, billing type and freight rate. The system will automatically calculate the total freight cost. Next, enter the lorry receipt number and e-way bill number, if applicable. Select the delivery deadline, pickup location, and drop location. Now click on Book Load. You will receive a confirmation, along with a load ID, LID001, which can be used for tracking. Refresh the page. Step 3. Dispatch the load, and navigate to the Dispatch tab. Here, you will see a list of pending loads with status as awaiting, a list of available idle trucks. You can click on the truck or load entries to expand and view detailed information. To dispatch a load, select a load and an available truck. A dispatch preview will appear. Click on Create Dispatch. Fill in the required details. Select the driver, enter trip start time, enter estimated arrival time. Now click on Create Dispatch. You will receive a confirmation along with a dispatch ID, TR001. Once dispatched, the truck will no longer appear as available. Step 4. Track trips. Now go to the In Transit tab. Here, you can view ongoing trips. Click on a trip to access actions like location update, fuel update, expense entry, and service updates. To start the trip, go to the Track Trips tab and click on Start Trip. Alternatively, updating the location will automatically mark the trip as started. To update location, click on the Location button, enter the current location, and click Update. You'll receive a confirmation notification. Refresh the page and revisit the In Transit tab to see the updated location. Similarly, you can update fuel records, expenses, and service details. Finally, in the Track Trips tab, you can manage the trip status using action buttons such as Mark as Delayed, Complete Trip, or Cancel Trip. And that's how you can efficiently manage your logistics operations using UnLogistics software. Now let's understand how to manage exceptions and complete the trip lifecycle in UnLogistics. If any incident occurs during the in-transit phase, you have the flexibility to cancel and reschedule the trip as per your convenience. To cancel a trip, simply click on the Cancel button. Enter a valid reason for cancellation and click on Cancel Trip. You will receive a notification confirming that the trip has been successfully canceled. Now, refresh the page. If you navigate back to the Dispatch tab, you'll notice that the truck is now available again. Under Pending Loads, the previous load details are automatically populated since the earlier trip was canceled. To dispatch the load again, simply follow the same dispatch process as before. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation notification with a new dispatch ID. Now, refresh the page and navigate to the Track Trips tab. You'll see the newly created trip listed here. If you want to update details such as location, fuel, or expenses, go to the Dispatch In Transit tab and select the respective options. As mentioned earlier, if the trip has not been started yet, you can either click on the Start Trip button from the Track Trips tab, or second, update the location, which will automatically mark the trip as started. Now, refresh the page again. Once started, you can proceed with location updates as needed. Now, you can update the services like fuel, expense, etc. in this way. And go back to the Track Trips tab. If the trip is running late, you can click on Mark as Delayed. After refreshing, the trip status will be updated accordingly. Once the trip is completed, return to this section and click on Complete. During completion, you'll be prompted to enter kilometer readings, add remarks if any, select the load status. You will have two options: reached at location, delivered. If you select delivered, a draft invoice will be automatically generated, which you can access in the Finance Hub. For now, let's select reached at location. You will receive a notification confirming that the trip has been completed. Since the load status is still marked as reached at location, the delivery process is not yet complete. To mark the load as delivered, navigate to the Operations app and open the Load Consignment tab. Locate the load ID and click on the Edit pencil icon. Scroll down to the status field. By default, it will be set to reached at location. Update it to delivered and click on Save. You will receive a confirmation that the record has been updated successfully. Once the load is marked as delivered, a draft invoice is automatically created. Now, navigate to the Finance and Billing section and open the Finance Hub. Here you will find the generated invoice with the status marked as unpaid. To record the payment, go to the Payments tab within the Finance Hub and select Payment Against Invoice. Choose the relevant invoice number. The customer name and amount will be auto-filled. You can verify the invoice details if needed. Then enter payment date, mode of payment, payment status. Click on Record Payment, and you will receive a confirmation notification. Now, in the Analytics section, you can compare the total billed amount versus collected amount. If expenses exceed the billed amount, the net profit will reflect as negative. To review expenses, navigate to the Expense tab, where you can see all trip-related expenses. You can approve them and mark them as paid. To analyze profitability, go to the Trip Profit and Loss tab to determine whether the trip resulted in a profit or loss. Under GST Summary, you can view the total GST applied to the trip. And finally, in the Monthly Profit and Loss section, you can monitor the overall revenue and performance generated from your trips. And with that, you now have complete control over trip management, financial tracking, and business insights using UnLogistics software. Now, let's explore the Fleet Hub to get a complete 360-degree view of your trucks and drivers. Navigate to the Fleet Hub. Under the Truck tab, click on any available truck to view detailed insights. Here you can see total number of trips completed, fuel consumption, tire costs, overall expenses, number of services performed, and drivers assigned to the truck over time. This gives you a comprehensive performance overview of each vehicle. Similarly, go to the Drivers tab and select any driver. You'll be able to access their complete profile, including contact information, salary details, ratings, and total trips completed. This helps you evaluate driver performance and history efficiently. Next, move to the Compliance tab. Here you can track upcoming expiries of important documents such as driving licenses, insurance, and fitness certificates. For example, if a license is set to expire in the next 10 days, the system will highlight it, allowing you to take timely action and avoid disruptions. Now click on the home page to return to your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a live, real-time overview of your business, including total revenue, collected amount, and net profit. Compliance alerts. You can also monitor the number of completed trips and active trips. Recent payments. Monthly profit and loss. Customer profitability. If you prefer visual insights, navigate to the Strong Analytics dashboard. Here, data is presented through interactive graphs and charts, including expense breakdown, customer analytics, fleet performance, fuel efficiency. You also have the flexibility to create
custom reports
and display them as per your business needs. Thank you for exploring UnLogistics software. With these powerful tools, you can efficiently manage your operations, monitor performance, and make smarter business decisions.